Ezza TV, my brother. I want to first of all appreciate you. Because I think somebody here basalo Ezza people. I think somebody here basalo Ndebon State na totonaro. So I want to really appreciate you for all the work you have been doing so far in trying to promote the Ezzas online, in trying to tell the world about the Ezzas and the Ezza people. So I want to really appreciate you, my brother. But him and ask Namadu maybe mistake, see correct you and okay. After my video post in he host to Ezza Carnival, which is a very nice thing. It's a welcome development, my brother. Mana, nature's he host to the Ezza Carnival, Abakaliki town, is what I don't really agree with. Yes, and I'm sure many people also will not agree with that. Carnival, I know. I don't know, man, your own definition of carnival or different from my own. And I'm na carnival, by the time people now put that showcase their history and their cultures, have fun together, tell the world about who they are. That is my own definition of carnival. So you taking away that carnival from the Ezza land and going to do it in Abakaliki, then that is not carnival, my brother. You have to, even if it is carnival, even if it's carnival you are planning to, then you have to remove that name Ezza, because it is no longer the Ezza carnival you are doing there. You map now that Nigeria is going to be hosting their independence in America. Then Nigeria they host to their independence in America because of any reason. According to your own reason, in Akwana, good invest center, Ezza land, insecurity. These are your reasons. Then why not use this opportunity because of this now? Then India Jega Bunde Ezza Jego, GJB rent invent center na Imabakaliki. Why not them come together and build a gigantic event center in Ezza land? At least this should be one of the things that will even move them to go and build that event center there. We are talking about insecurity. We're insecurity alone in Nigeria as a whole today. Why not them mount good security that day? At least cover family event. Here I suppose able time on the good people of Ezza, both the prominent one, the rich one, the business people, those who have not even traveled to that Ezza land for a long time now. Here I could say the opportunity for them to come home and see how their home is doing and know where to invest in. At least them seeing the home to give them to even ginger their spirit to do more and improve and develop their villages. So we will put this carnival from Ezza land, Bujebiana, Abakaliki. I don't understand though, but I think you have to change the name Ezza Carnival. No? Open Ezza Carnival actually, my brother. Man need to make that carnival na Ezza land. No matter whatever might be the reason, you can't take it away from there and go and host it in a different place. Mbana, you check it now. You check it. You can't just come out now na blue carnival in the exam or blue Nigerian independence now. You just celebrate Nigerian independence na Ghana. Mahundi Ghana actually celebrate their independence or actually make something about to Ghana for that host to Nigeria. But not possible now. You have time you could showcase here the Ezza people, the Ezza culture, the history of Ezza. You have time people could see you free and don't came an Ezza land so that Bundia Ghana complain about insecurity, about event center. We see just that Ghana with the time and we lower that event center. You have insecurity have I'm only for the solve for because the ego BG all. So my brother, I appreciate your idea and everything, but please open the church that Niyabu Ezza Carnival actually then you have to be done it. You have to do it in Ezza land. But open it in Ebonyi Carnival. Hey, you can just select any venue in Ebonyi State and do it.